Tonight we're going to do 5-box break of Elite Extra Edition Baseball. Thank you guys for jumping in. Last break of the night, last break of the weekend. We'll be back on Tuesday night, and then we'll be gone on Wednesday and Thursday for the rookie premiere in California. And then we'll be back on Friday. So I just need you guys to pick left or right. So left or right, and we're ready to rock. BK Brawler. Left or right? Anybody out there? Left or right? Anybody out there? Left or right? Oh, shit. There you go. I was just gonna I was literally just texting you. Alright. Right it is. Alright. Literally, it was just halfway through texting you. Oh, thank you. Alright, good luck. For the Giants, out of 999, Bryce Johnson. For the Angels, out of 999, Joe Adele. For the Team International Men, Bayron Lora, out of 35, silhouette autograph. Bayron Lora, out of 35. On-card auto of Ryan Lilly for the Marlins, base style. And for Team International Men, out of 25, tie-dye, Junio Tillian, out of 25. Lodge. Out of 999, Emmanuel Marinez for the Marlins. For the Marlins. Out of 999, Greg Deichmann, the Oakland Athletics. On-card auto for the Milwaukee Brewers, Keston Hiura. Out of 24, cracked ice for Team USA, Travis Swaggerty. And out of 200, Larry Ernesto for the Brewers. For the Minnesota Twins, Carlos Aguilar. For the Texas Rangers, out of 999, Christopher Cease. For the Chicago White Sox, out of 99, triple jersey of Luis Robert. Just a heads up, the top left corner looks got a little bit of issue on that top left. Just a heads up. Spencer Howard, on-card auto for the Phillies. And for the Phillies, out of 150, Luis Garcia. Out of 999, Estevan Florial for the Yankees. For the Tampa Bay Rays, out of 999, Ronaldo Hernandez. For the Atlanta Braves, dual jersey out of 99, Kevin Maitan. For Team USA, season ticket auto of Will Banfield. And for the Marlins, out of 99, Brian Miller. Got a 1/1. 1/1 out of 999, Isaac Paredes for the Tigers, aka the Tigers. Out of 999, Brent Rooker for the Twins. For the Diamondbacks, on-card auto of Drew Ellis. For Team USA, what's his name? Grant Taylor, 1/1 printing plate auto. Grant Taylor for Team USA. And that is the black one, I believe. Yep, black plate, 1/1. And out of 75, Buddy Kennedy for the Diamondbacks. 1/1, rumble bumble. 1/1, rumble bumble in the jungle. All right. Box 2. 1, 2. Out of 999 for the Giants, Bryce Johnson. Out of 999 for the Phillies, Jojo Romero. For the St. Louis Cardinals, base auto of Zach Kirtley. Out of 25, on-card auto for the Diamondbacks, Dalton Varsho. Not familiar with him. And out of 100, Ronald Bolonis. No, Bolonis. For the Padres. Ronald Bolonis. Just full of baloney. Oh, went the wrong way. What? It's all messed up. Out of 999 for the Yankees, Matt Sauer. Out of 25, tie-dye, Omar Florentino, International Man. Tie-dye 25, International Man. Out of 999 for the Marlins. Oh, that is sickness. Emmanuel Animal Marines. I don't know how to say that name. This is a sick card, though. Jarlin Garcia with the letter M patch. 5/5 for the Marlins. Silhouette auto. Orange, white, blue, silver, yellow, black. Nastiness in that. 5/5. For the Dodgers, Connor Wong, base auto. Nastiness. Out of 999, Carlos Aguirre for the Minnesota Twins. Still have not seen an Acuna in this whole case. For the Dodgers, Morgan Cooper out of 999. For the Red Sox, out of 75, on-card auto of Brett Netzer. Out of 75. Out of 75 for the Rays, Nathan Lukes. Slotch. And out of 200, Corbin Martin for the Astros. This pack is pretty thick. Look at that fatty. Thinking purple or green. Purple. Alright. Hopefully it's something good. Out of 999, Estevan Florial for the Yankees. Out of 999 for the Padres, Mr. Mackenzie Gore. Oh, it's just two colors. For the Tigers, two-color silhouette patch, 14/25, Tom DeBlock. Tom DeBlock for the Tigers. 2-color patchy patch out of 25. Daniel Tillo for the Royals. Base auto. And out of 150, Joseph Dunand for the Marlins. This one's got a fatty in it too. For the Tigers, out of 9.99, maybe it's not as fat as I thought it was. Out of 9.99, Isaac Paredes for the Tigers. For the Rockies, out of 9.99, Tommy Doyle. Out of 49, for the Red Sox, Danny Mars and Aniri Tavares. Dual patch out of 49. On-card auto for the Mets, Mark Vientos. And out of 99, Ronald Guzman for the Texas Rangers. All right, box 3. I don't think hasn't been a Hoskins in here either. No Acuna or Hoskins yet. I guess they're not guaranteed guys. Out of 9.99, Orlando Chavilli. Out of 9.99 for the Dodgers. That's for the international guys. Out of 9.99 for the Dodgers, Jaron Kendall. Flip out of 49, silhouette auto for Team USA of Tyler Holton. Out of 49, Tyler Holton. For the Rays, base auto on card, Taylor Walls. And for the Cardinals, out of 200, Johan Oviedo. Some of these names are not easy. Points. We have got a lot of points. 250 points. Putting that over there for now. Gosh. For the Yankees, Chance Adams out of 9.99. We will round on the points at the end of the break to all teams. Out of 9.99 for the White Sox, Jake and his Burgers. On-card auto out of 100 for the I thought he was Angels. Miami Marlins, Joseph Dunand. Or Dunand. Nice. His names. Slouch. Out of 150, Jordan Holloway for the Marlins. Marlins getting a lot of guys. Marlins. Dude, come on, man. Out of 9.99 for the White Sox, Lincoln Hensman. Out of 9.99 for the Angels, Jacob Pearson. Or Pearson. For the Rays, dual jersey out of 149, Lucius Fox. Out of 100, on-card auto for the Rockies of Will Gaddis. And out of 100 again, is that 100? Sure, yep. Seby Zavala for the White Sox. Out of 9.99, Algenis Vasquez for the international men. Out of 9.99, Logan Warmoth for the Blue Jays. Oh, it's a tie-dye. Quad jersey for the Mets out of 49, Dominic Smith. Tie-dye auto, 2 of 10 for the Phillies, Luis Garcia. 2 of 10 tie-dye auto, Luis Garcia for the Phillies. And out of 49, green die cut, out of 49, Jesus Sanchez for the Rays. Yep, there he is. He's finally alive. Out of 9.99, Ronald Acuna. No, it's not the auto, but hey, he's alive. He's alive. Out of 9.99, Joan Baez. Is it a soft J or a Joan or Yon Baez? Oh, another good one. For the Cubs, Eloy Jimenez out of 50. Eloy Jimenez out of 50 for the Cubbies. Another good one there. For the Braves, on-card auto, Drew Waters. And Adam Hazley out of 200 for the Phillies. All right, 2 to go. Yo. Hope you guys had a good weekend. And hopefully your week ahead is awesome. Awesome sauce. I don't really know what other word to use. I like that word. It's one of my faves. International man, Wilman Candelario. Phillies, Jojo Romero out of 999. So used to them being all international men. For the Boston Red Sox, Trenton Kemp base auto. For the Kansas City Royals, out of 100, on-card auto of MJ Melendez out of 100 for the Royals. And for the Marlins, this animal guy out of 200, Marinas. I don't know how to say that guy's first name. Inmeno. Whoa, listen. Out of 999, Luis Garcia for the Phillies. Out of 999, Matt Sauer for the Yankees. Wow, that patch is bulging. Tyler O'Neill, 7 of 10. Logo patch auto for the Mariners. All these, who's getting these 2 sick patches? The Marlins, the Mariners. Mariners, Big Sean. Marlins, Big Sean. Big Dog getting both. Nice. They're sick cards. That thing is popping out. Whoop. What a sickness. He's now on the Cardinals, but still. 7 of 10. International man out of 75, Yandy Ortiz. International man. Brendan Murphy out of 150 for the Brewers. Out of 999, this is the third one of this guy. Bryce Johnson out of 999 for the Giants. Out of 999, Morgan Cooper for the Dodgers. On-card auto out of 100, Christopher Seiss for the Rangers. For the Royals, Nick Denny out of 75. Slotch out of 100. Yeah, 100. Freddie Tarnock for the Braves. Out of 999, Mr. Marinas for the Marlins. I'm not going to try his first name anymore. I've given up. Out of 999, Mackenzie Gore for the Padres. Ooh, Gleber. Quad jersey or relics out of 299 for the Yankees. Gleyber Torres. For the, I'm going to have to check on that guy. Diego Castillo. I'll go to the Mets or the Yankees. Double check on that. And out of 10, tie-dye international man, Franiel Baez. Out of 10. 5 of 10. Out of 999, Carlos Aguirre for the Twins. Out of 999, Tommy Doyle for the Rockies. For the Braves, out of 97, Acuna Matan, dual jersey. Finally got an Acuna relic or auto. Probably rather it just be Acuna though. And on-card auto for the Padres, Blake Hunt. And out of 200, Drew Ellis for the Diamondbacks. All right, last box mojo. Good luck, y'all. Although we've already got some sick hits. Those two patch autos were nasty. Very nice cards. Very nice, very nice. Out of $9.99 for the Marlins, Brian Hernandez. The Marlins must have a million guys in this product. Out of $9.99 for the Tampa Bay Rays, Brendan McKay. Flip. International Man, Marco Luciano out of 99. Silhouette autograph. Marco Luciano. Out of 5 International Men is Stanley Castillo. 2 of 5. Tie-dye auto. Lots of low number stuff tonight. Quentin Holmes out of 200 for the Indians. Always good to get low number stuff. Oh, we got a fatty again. Hopefully it's another patch. The $9.99 International Man of Alberto Fabian. Out of $9.99 Dalton Varsho for the Diamondbacks. I guess it's not. Out of $49 for the White Sox, dual jersey of Zach Collins. On-card auto for the Angels, Brennan Lund. And Jacob Gonzalez out of 150 for the Giants. Out of $9.99 for the Red Sox, Cole Brannon. Out of $9.99 for the Marlins, Trevor Rogers. Season ticket auto for Team USA, Mason Denneberg. On-card auto for the Phillies, Connor Siebold. And out of 100, Drew Waters for the Braves. For the Brewers, Freddie Peralta out of $9.99. For the, I forget, Mets or Yankees. Out of $9.99, Trevor Stephen. Reese Hoskins, Reese Pieces, finally. Triple jersey out of 149 for the Phillies, Reese Hoskins. For international team, out of 35, Emmanuel Rodriguez. There are a lot of international guys in this. Marco Luciano out of 25, tie-dye, International Man. All right, last pack. Ilvin Fernandez out of $9.99, International. Yeah. For the Mariners, Sam Carlson out of $9.99. For the Pittsburgh Pirates, on-card auto out of 75 of Shane Baz. International Man, Bayron Lora. Base auto. Slotch. And Gerson Moreno out of 200 for the Tigers. Alright, we do have 250 points to random, so give me 1 second while I pull that up. Dice roller. List randomizer, MLB. International Team USA. Alright, come on over. We're going to roll the dice. We do not do 2s or 3s. We're going to go 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Goes to the Reds. Reds get 250 points. All right.